Hello everyone, very good evening to one and all. Welcome back to the Vichita Rajkumar online classes. Today I am going to discuss about the syllabus, 30% deleted content, weightage, blueprint of the MPHW secondary students in the subject of the different courses like a different subjects like a paper 1, paper 2, paper 3. In this all the papers I will discuss the syllabus, blueprint, weightage and model question papers and 30% deleted content also I will show. So who are watching first time, please watch till the end of my video, like, share, comment and subscribe my channel, and you have to hit the bell icon. ఓకే. సో ఎవరైతే ఫస్ట్ టైం చూస్తున్నారో లాస్ట్ వరకు స్కిప్ చేయకుండా చూడండి. అదేవిధంగా నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోద్దు. అదేవిధంగా పక్కన ఉన్న బెల్ ఐకాన్ ప్రెస్ చేయడం. ఓకే. ఓకే, మనం లేట్ చేయకుండా టాపిక్లో వెళ్దామా మరి. ఓకే, సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద అందుకే మల్టీపర్పస్ హెల్త్ వర్కర్ like a paper 1, paper 2, paper 3. In paper 1 midwifery, paper 2 is the child health nursing, paper 3 is the హెల్త్ సెంటర్ మేనేజ్మెంట్. ఓకే, ప్రసవ శాస్త్రం, ఓకే, చిన్న పిల్లల యొక్క ఆరోగ్య పరిచర్య, అదేవిధంగా ఆరోగ్య కేంద్ర నిర్వహణ, 3 సబ్జెక్ట్స్ అయితే ఉంటాయి ఇక్కడ. దిస్ విల్ సీ ద లైక్ ఇన్ డిఫరెంట్ వీడియోస్ ఐ హ్యావ్ షోన్ ద సిలబస్ ఆఫ్ ది హౌ వీ బై ఫాలో హౌ వీ కెన్ ద రిమైండ్ ద సిలబస్. ఐ హ్యావ్ గివన్ like a simple trick like a for remembering of the overall the syllabus of the easily you can remember by following this trick like a tan PCA HMW. Okay, HMW. Okay, in this A for T are the tension and issues in midwifery, A for the anatomy and physiology, reproductive system, antenatal care, normal labor, postnatal care, C for the common abnormalities of pregnancy, A for the abnormalities of care of newborn baby, A for the abnormalities of pregnancy. Next, okay, high risk labor and management. Next, M for the medical and surgical interventions in midwifery. Last one is the W. So W is the common health problems, women's health problems is. So these are 10 units will be there in this యూనియన్. ఓకే, సో లెట్ వి సీ ద వన్ బై వన్. ఓకే, మనం ఈ యొక్క చిన్న ట్రిక్ ఫాలో అవ్వడం ద్వారా మనం ఈజీగా ఈ యొక్క సిలబస్ని మనం గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవచ్చు. ఓకేనా, కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే లాస్ట్కి టెన్స్ అనేది ఇష్యూస్ దే హ్యావ్ గివెన్ లాస్ట్, బట్ ఈవెన్ ద నో నీడ్ ఆఫ్ వర్రీ అబౌట్ ద బట్ ఐ హ్యావ్ గివెన్ సింపుల్ ట్రిక్ బట్ for easy remembering of the syllabus only, so no need of worry. So actually in whatever I have provided trick no, so that's the starting will be there, but it has given last. Okay, don't get any confusions, but our priority is the like we have to remember syllabus, that is it, enough. Okay, in anatomy and physiology of reproductive system 10 marks weightage will be there. Okay, in antenatal care, okay, 8 marks weightage will be there. Normal labor 10 marks weightage will be there. Postnatal care 8 marks weightage will be there. Abnormalities of pregnancy 6 marks weightage will be there. High risk labor and management 10 marks weightage will be there. Okay, and next postnatal care, actually care of newborn baby will be there, 5th unit, so we didn't mention. Okay, medical interventions in 8 marks weightage. Women's health not common, women's health problems, in this you have to keep, just change it. Women's health problems 10 marks weightage. Tense and issues 2 marks weightage will be there. So this is a blueprint and weightage. Okay, like a pattern of the examinations, clear na? Already you know very well about the pattern. Section A, very short answers like 2 marks questions, you have to attempt all 10 questions will be there. Each question carries 2, so 10 into 2 20. Section A 20 marks. Section B 8 questions they may give, you have to attempt any 6, each question carries 5, so 5 into 6 30. So section A 20, section B 30, oral 50 marks. It's clear. So this is the learning objectives. At the end of your course, what you have to do, you have to able to describe the male and female reproductive organs. You have to able to identify the parts. You are able to explain the functions of the male and reproductive organs, explain the process of fertilization and fetal development also. You have to at the end of your course, not in starting. Okay, when you will complete your course, every student has to able to explain the process of fertilization, and every student has to able to define the fetal development. Next, describe female pelvis and muscles involved in delivery of the fetus. So female pelvis is very important. So this female pelvis and muscles are involved in delivering of the baby. Okay, that is the reason you should know the like parts and bones, joints, ligaments, diameters and everything of the female pelvis. It's clear. So next, coming to the provide care to pregnant mother during intra postnatal period and time at home and hospital. Okay, at the end of your course, every student has to able the skills, competencies, and also you are able to list of what type of care the mother may need. So during pregnancy, labor, preparing, and at home and hospital also. Next, conduct normal delivery and provide care to the newborn baby. Okay. Sometimes you may conduct normal delivery in student period. You may conduct the delivery under supervision, and you have to assist the delivery. So during training period, you have to assist the delivery, or otherwise when you can supervise. When supervise a little bit, you may get the idea what are the steps will be, what are the mechanism of labor. You may get it the idea. Okay, and at the end of your course, you have to develop the competence like you can conduct the delivery and provide the care to the newborn baby also. Provide need-based counseling to the mother and to her family during antenatal, internatal, postnatal. Okay, you have to provide the counseling and guidance to the mother as well as family members according to her situation. It may be during antenatal, or it may be intra, and it may be postnatal. Okay, resuscitate the newborn baby. The baby is like a the of course, so soon after the delivery of the baby, we have to assess the condition of the mother. Sorry, assess the condition of the baby by following the Apgar score. So like a heart rate, pulse rate, or muscle tone, skin of the color, reflexes, and everything. By following this, we can know the condition of the baby. If the baby is not good, if the Apgar score is very less, so immediately what we have to do is resuscitate the baby. Why we have to do the resuscitation? To bringing back normal condition of the baby. Okay. Next, identify deviation from normal labor in time and take necessary action. Okay. Okay, so you have deviation is nothing but abnormal. So we have to, when you know the normal, easily you can able to identify the deviations from normal to abnormal. Okay, so when you are deviating, when you are finding out the abnormal, so immediately you have to take the necessary action also. Provide an adequate care, identifying abnormal preparing. So immediately when you are identify abnormal conditions, you have to take necessary action and you have to provide the better care and identifying the abnormal PPRA. PPRA is nothing but the postnatal. After delivery of the baby, we can know the PPRA. Okay, next, administer the drugs as per the protocols. Okay, according to protocols, according to standing orders. So standing orders are nothing but the non-availability of the doctors. Also, we can prescribe some of the, we can administer some of the medications to the mother to save of the, to prevent the complications. Identify women's reproductive health problems and provide guidance and support. Participate. Okay, as a, you have to identify the women's reproductive health problems and provide guidance and support. Participate in reproductive health and family welfare program. This is the learning of, at the end of your course, every student has to able to fulfill these requirements. Okay, so next coming to the, so this is a syllabus like a, okay, human reproductive system. In this, only male reproductive organs, structure, functions, and process of the fertilization is deleted. That's clear. So I'm not reading entirely syllabus. Please go through the syllabus. In this only, I will provide 100% syllabus. I will discuss the 30%. If I tell 30%, remain 70% only. Okay. So this is the upcoming examination. Who are going to the second year examination? These videos may be useful. Okay. It's clear now. Okay, I'm not reading until only I'm reading deleted content only. Okay. So next coming to the female pelvis and fetal skull. It's clear. Okay, next one is the female pelvis and fetal skull. Structure of the pelvic bones, types of pelvis, pelvic diameters, muscles and ligaments of the pelvic for fetal skull, bones diameters, sutures, size, shape and everything. So I am not reading exactly. So whatever I deleted, what is the important focus on that, I will focus. Okay. So here the in first unit 1, the two partitions will be there like a human reproductive system, female pelvis and fetus and placenta. In this, in first partition like a female reproductive system, very important question. Like a in second partition, female pelvis, fetal skull is a very important. Next, whereas in fetus and placenta, in this also functions of the placenta, structure of the placenta, okay, fetus development. So it's a very important question. So please here in this first unit like a male reproductive organ, structure and functions, process of fertilization only deleted. ఓకేనా. కాబట్టి ఇందులో మనకు యూనిట్ 1లో అంటే మనం అనాటమీ అండ్ ఫిజియల్ రీప్రొడక్టివ్ సిస్టమ్లో చూసినట్టయితే మనకు 3 పార్టీషన్స్ అయితే ఉన్నాయి. మానవ ప్రత్యుత్పత్తి వ్యవస్థ, స్త్రీ కూపకం మరియు పిండం యొక్క పుర్రె, అదేవిధంగా పిండము మరియు మావి. ఈ 3 యూనిట్లు కూడా మనకు స్త్రీ ప్రత్యుత్పత్తి వ్యవస్థ అనేది చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. సెకండ్ యూనిట్లో చూసి స్త్రీ కూపకం అదేవిధంగా పిండం యొక్క పుర్రె గురించి అడుగుతూ ఉంటారు. అందులో ఎక్కువగా ఫాంటనెల్స్ అడుగుతూ ఉంటారు. ఎక్కువగా ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటంటే ఫాంటనెల్స్. ఓకేనా. ఈ అంటీరియర్ ఫాంటనల్, పోస్టీరియర్ ఫాంటనల్స్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. నెక్స్ట్ ఫీటస్ అండ్ ప్లజెంటా, ఫంక్షన్స్ ఆఫ్ ది ప్లజెంటా, మావి యొక్క విధులు ఏంటిది, పిండం ఏ విధంగా ఏర్పడుతుంది, ఇవన్నీ కూడా ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్స్. నెక్స్ట్ కమింగ్ టు ద యాంటీనటల్ కేర్. యాంటీనటల్ కేర్ ఈస్ డివైడ్ ఇంటూ 2 పార్టిషన్స్ లైక్ నార్మల్ ప్రెగ్నెన్సీ, యాంటీనటల్ కేర్. ఓకే, ఈ యాంటీనటల్ కేర్ అనేది 2 విధాలుగా సాధారణ గర్భధారణ, అదేవిధంగా గర్భవతి అందచేయడం పరిచర్య, ఈ 2 ఇందులో చూసినట్టు నార్మల్ ప్రెగ్నెన్సీలో ఈ యొక్క యూనిట్ అనేసి ఇన్ దీస్ యూనిట్స్ ఆర్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఇన్ ఆల్ ఆస్పెక్ట్స్ లైక్ సైన్స్ అండ్ సిమ్టమ్స్ ఆఫ్ ప్రెగ్నెన్సీ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్. ఓకే, signs and symptoms of pregnancy very very important question, and very diagnosis important. Next, physiological changes also very very important. Next, minor relevance during pregnancy and then marriage. So in this like normal pregnancy entire unit is very very important. Next, antenatal care. This unit is like important for the practical purpose, not theory, but even though sometimes they may ask like a physical examination, 2 marks questions they may ask. Okay, this is a very very important in this unit. This is a very very important nutrition pregnancy ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్. ఓకే, కాబట్టి సాధారణ గర్భధారణలో ఈ యొక్క యూనిట్ అనేది కంప్లీట్గా ఓవరాల్గా ఇంపార్టెంటే. గుర్తులు మరియు లక్షణాలు, ఓకే, గర్భధారణ ఏ విధంగా గుర్తిస్తారు, ఓకే, గర్భవతిగా ఉన్నప్పుడు శరీరం కలుగు భౌతికమైన మార్పులు, అదేవిధంగా చిన్న చిన్న అస్వస్థతలు అని ఏ విధంగా నివారించారు, ఇవన్నీ కూడా ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఓకే, అదేవిధంగా గర్భవతిగా ఉన్న స్త్రీ యొక్క పోషకాహార వ్యవస్థను గురించి ఇవన్నీ కూడా ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ కమింగ్ యూనిట్ 3 నార్మల్ లేబర్. ఈ నార్మల్ లేబర్ nothing is deleted entirely, you have to read in this like stages of the normal labor, onset stages of labor, physiological changes during labor. Okay, fetal color I have read now. Okay, and next mechanism of labor you have to able to learn mechanism how the baby will be delivered from the womb of the mother to the outer world. So this is one of the practical way, and theory also important. Next part of that. Okay, prognosis of the mother and baby condition. Okay, so this is very the 2 aspects are very very important. Okay, okay, next coming to the care during normal labor. In this importance of six clean area, clean perineum, clean towel, clean scissors, clean umbilical cord clamp. Okay, so these are some aspects are very very important to prevent the infection during delivery. Okay, so nothing is deleted entirely, you have to read. Okay, in these stages of labor and of course more important. Okay, and next kangaroo mother care, exclusive breastfeeding. Okay, resuscitation of birth score. Okay, cord care, stages of the labor. This is also important questions. Okay, next coming to the postnatal care. In postnatal care, like a normal people in this only this one is deleted. Okay, only this topic is only deleted. Remaining you have to read. Next one is the abnormal of pregnancy. Nothing is deleted. Sorry, in this eclampsia and hypertension 2 topics are deleted. In this entirely you have to read. Okay, అసాధారణ గర్భధారణలో రక్తవాతం, అదేవిధంగా హైపర్ టెన్షన్, బీపీ ఇది డిలీట్ చేశారు, మిగతా అంతా చెప్పండి. నెక్స్ట్ అబార్షన్స్. ఇన్ అబార్షన్ ఎంటల్ యూనిటీస్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు రీడ్, నథింగ్ ఇస్ డిలీటెడ్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ కమింగ్ హై రిస్క్ లేబర్ అండ్ మేనేజ్మెంట్. ఇన్ దిస్ హై రిస్క్ లేబర్ లైక్ సిపిడి సిపారకల్ ప్రిస్క్రిప్షన్, దిస్ వన్ ఈస్ డిలీటెడ్. సో నో టు రీడ్ అండ్ completely you have to read. Next coming to medical interventions in midwifery. In this also nothing deleted, everything you have to read. So next coming to the abnormals of pregnancy, and this also in high risk labor management already have stated now. So for this proportion. Okay, in common medications comparatively how to read common health problems of the women. So in this RVF is deleted, remaining you have to read. Next coming to CSM also deleted, CSS RVF. These 2 topics are deleted. Remaining you have to read. Only I have focusing on the only 30% deleted. I have shown the syllabus as well as I have given 30% syllabus in the paper 1 for the MPHW second year students like a midwifery. It's clear. So next coming to we are moving on the second paper, that is the child health and nursing. Okay, so this like a GM square C5R. Okay, GM square C5R. This is a formula to easy remembering of the syllabus. Okay, G n square C5R. Okay, G is nothing but growth and development. N1 M is the newborn care, and 1 more M is the newborn nutrition of infants and children. So C, so children's rights, care of the sick and child, care of school going children, care of physical and mental children, care of adolescents. Last one the recent trends in child health and nursing. So this is the C G n square C5. This is a formula to easy remembering of the total syllabus activity, child health and nursing. Okay, growth and development, 14 marks weightage will be there. This is a very very important unit. First one is the one important. Next, care of the sick child. This is also important. Okay, and next, newborn care 8 marks. Nutrition of infants 6 marks. Okay, children's rights 4 marks. Care of school children 8 marks. Care of physically and mentally challenged 8 marks. Care of adolescents 4 marks. This sentence 2 marks. Okay, these are the blueprint and weightage of the secondary students in the subject of the child health and nursing. Okay. On the completion of your course, the students is able to assess the growth and development of the child at normal ages. So take care of a newborn baby. After finishing your course, you are able to learn the theory and practical. You are becoming perfect over on your subject. That is the reason at the end of your course, you are able to assess the growth and development of normal child. Take care of newborn baby. Discuss the nutrition needs according to different age groups of children. Appreciate and protect the rights of the children. Already you have studied no rights of the children's rights. That is the reason. Appreciate and protect the children's rights, and you are able to provide the rights of the children. Take care of sick children during illness. Provide school health services, assess and meet the nutrition needs of adolescents, especially adolescent girls. Educate the family members in dealing with the physical and mentally challenged groups. Okay, this is the first unit. Nothing is related. In these milestones are important. Like a growth and development topic is important. Growth and development important. Next, importance of play. Next, toilet training, accidents prevention. Okay. So growth and development definitions and factors affecting. Next, coming to the toilet training, accidents, many accidents among unprotected children, and how we can prevent. The importance of play therapy, emotional needs. Okay, milestones also in this important. Nothing is related. These are the important topics. So next coming to newborn care. In newborn care, newborn assessments are very, very important. Assessment of the newborn baby occurs very important. Neonate resuscitation 2 marks question important. Okay, next jaundice. Sometimes they know jaundice, kangaroo mother care, breastfeeding, care of the curd. Okay, small for age, post maturity. So these are topics are important. Okay. So in this unit, only one topic is related: care of premature baby. Okay, what is the normal gestation of the mother? 9 months. If the baby is delivered before 9 months, it is known as a care of premature baby. Okay. Next, coming to the nutrition of infants and children. In this infant feeding and HIV, this topic is related. The meaning you have to read. Okay. Next, children's rights. In children's rights portal, in this battery syndrome, juvenile cases only topic is related. Remaining you have to read. Okay. I am focusing on the deleted content. Care of the sick child. In this, and everything you have to read. Okay. Okay. Care of school children. Here, school health records, Balwa nutrition program. These two topics are deleted. Remaining you have to read. Next, care of physically mentally challenged. In this also nothing is related. Entirely you have to read. Next, 8th unit care of adolescents. In this behavioral problems adolescents. This one topic is related. Remaining you have to read. Things and issues in child health nursing. Nothing is related. Entirely you have to read. Okay, so this is deleted content and 70% syllabus, 30% deleted content in the subject of the child health nursing for the MPH of the second year students. So next coming to the third paper, that is the HCM, health center management. Okay, like CH3, MPC, IS. Okay, concept of management, health center, health team, health administration of India. Maintenance of staff, population education, family welfare, cooperation, implementation, national health program, staff development. This is the trick to easy remembering of the syllabus of the SCA for the second year students in paper 3. The concept of management 2 marks weightage, health center 8 marks weightage, concept of health team 10 marks, health administration 10 marks, maintenance of staff 8 marks, population education 8 marks, coordination 8 marks, implementation national health programs 10 marks, staff development 8 marks. Okay. So at the end of your course, what you have to do, you are able to appreciate the principles of the management, you are able to explain the definition of management, organize subcenter THC, CHC, carry out schedules and activity plans, understand your roles and responsibilities of health team members. Already you have written, you have studied what is the main responsibility, what is the reason you are understand the roles and responsibilities of health team members in the community. Understand the healthcare administration in India, know the healthcare delivery system in India, indent and maintenance of staff, participate in the implementation of health program, participate in staff development program, coordinates with the health team members and other agencies, maintain records and reports. So concept of management, nothing is deleted, health centers, nothing is deleted, entirely you have to read in this unit. Okay, third unit also nothing is deleted, completely you have to read it. Fourth unit also completely you have to read, nothing is deleted. Okay, 1 2 3 4 nothing is deleted. In fifth unit, okay, in sixth unit only role of mass media IEC, this one only deleted, remaining you have to read. Okay, in seventh unit NGOs, only NGOs are deleted, non-governmental organization, remaining you have to read. Next coming to the national health programs and role of the female. Okay, national health programs and the role of multipurpose health worker female. So this topic is entirely actually deleted. Okay, so no need to worry about the 8th unit. Okay, and next staff development. Staff development in service education program is deleted. Remaining, okay, NGOs like national health programs, role in service education. Okay, on 4 topics on NGOs, national health programs, role of mass media and IEC. Okay, these topics are deleted in health center management for the second year students. Okay, so this is a model question paper in paper 1. Write the types of LVs. What is amenorrhea? Define EDD, define lie, list the 6 claims, define vivarium, what is APH, what is obstructed labor, what is MTP, what is the action of oxytocin. Next 6 marks questions, like a 5 marks, 6 marks, like a section B questions. Explain about the female reproductive organs in detail. Explain about fontanelles, describe the functions of placenta, physiological changes during pregnancy, explain diet during pregnancy, importance and use of breastfeeding, anemia during pregnancy, umbilical cord, VVF, how to diagnose and manage a case, describe the RCH program. So this is the paper 1 model question paper for the second year students. Next coming to paper 2, define growth and development, what is weaning food, what is UPGAR score, mention children rights, list common childhood diseases, write about the midday meal program, write the cause of physically handicapped, what are the special needs of adolescents, write the secondary sexual characteristics of adolescent girls, explain the following, like ICDS and MH. Next section B, long questions. Explain the growth and development of infants. Explain about prevention accidents of children's injuries during infancy. Explain briefly about newborn assessment. Write detail about the immunization. Write about exclusive breastfeeding. Write types of child abuse. Explain about thyroid. Write about the role and responsibilities of female health worker during school health services. Write about classification of handicapped children. Write about baby friendly hospital initiative. Okay, next cover paper 3. Health center management for the second year students. Define management, list the clinicals conducted in sub-center. Define health team. Expand ASHA, list the cause of high birth rate. Expand UNICEF, what is ORS. Expand TBE, list the purpose of containing education. Define in-service education program. Last 6 months questions like explain the principles of management. Write the functions of primary health center. Write the functions of MPHW, female attendant clinic. Write the functions of WHO. Explain about agriculture service scheme. Describe about storage of medicines. Explain about any for temporary family planning methods. Explain coordination of MPHW female with the school teachers. What are the responsibilities of female health workers in the National Diarrheal Control Program? Explain about methods of staff development. It's clear. So this is the syllabus model question paper. So if you will see the whereas midwifery deleted content separately I have given model question paper. Please go through this one. Okay, male reproductive system deleted, ligaments are deleted, danger signs during pregnancy deleted, autograph newborn care deleted, placenta suffocation, newborn resuscitation, 2 topics are deleted. Next, minor disorders in preparium, this topic also deleted, fetal distress, eclampsia, hypertension during pregnancy, these topics are deleted, menstrual regulation, threatened abortion, CPD. Cervical cancer are really recent patterns. These topics are deleted. Okay, next coming to the child health nursing. Play topic is deleted. Premature baby, low birth weight baby, infant feeding in HIV, during delinquency, battle baby syndrome, supplementary nutrition progress, school health records and reports, mental retardation, behavioral problems and adolescence. Okay, these topics only you have to delete it. These topics. Next, last one is health center management. Characteristics of management, line of authority, sub-center action plan, functions of multi-purpose health working sub-center, Red Cross, storage and care of vaccines, mass media and IEC in family planning, NGO organization, role of MTSW in national health programs, inside education program. These topics are deleted. It's clear now. So till now I have shown the syllabus as well as the easy tricks by easy remembering of the total syllabus of 20 HW second is paper 1, paper 2, paper 3. And again I have shown 30% deleted content. Again I have given some of the important questions. And again finally I have concluded with the model question paper. So thanks for watching my channel. Have a nice day.